So I'm Dr. Karuna Prasad. I'm from the Pentecostal Assembly School in Bokaro, Jharkhand. We have been with SOF for I think upwards of 15 years, and we are very happy with the association. So I see it's been actually more than 15 years, and I see steadily the level of the examination increasing, and it's giving greater exposure to the children. I'm also so happy that the platforms, the various categories are increasing. So with the addition of Hindi, with the addition of the Cyber Olympiad, IGKO, we saw that coming in also. These are things that are helping children being recognized in various sectors, not just the science and the mathematics. As I said, we've been with SOF for very many years, and I find that this is a platform that connects with the children. We find it very easy to work with SOF also because it's so brilliantly organized. There is ease with it. But more than that, it is the kind of questions that are presented to the students. It is the opportunity for growth, and also the level of, I find that there is honesty in the examination that recognizes the best talent. So I think that children's studies themselves, their classroom interaction should be the best resource for them. Their inquisitive and curious mind should lead them. But at the same time, children are continually looking at the SOF material that is provided, that children can access. And generally speaking, when a child is curious and is wanting to know more, they will do well in all the Olympiads. So at our school, we have a dedicated period called the Reasoning and Aptitude period from grade 1 upwards. And in this period, we use the MTG Reasoning and Aptitude textbook. And it helps children to focus their attention on beyond just their academics to these important aspects of their learning and growth and development. This is the way of growth and development. If a student can perform on, in an international Olympiad, you're taking the school, you're taking the child beyond just the school, beyond just the local, onto a global platform of competition. And these Olympiads help the child to think beyond the textbook, to think and apply the knowledge that they are gaining in the classrooms. So I find that these are well structured, well researched, and well formatted books with ease of use, and students tend to like them. I hope and wish that more and more schools and students will join, will take Olympiads, because this is a wonderful way of exposing children to international platform and allowing them to see how well they can perform, apply their knowledge, and showcase their brilliance.